Bison UK have joined the Push Stop campaign to help industry get back on its feet, and I'm joined by Mike Harris to tell us all about the special offer.
Special offer is on our 6620 machine vices, our most popular vice, and we're offering all 8 sizes, list price, less 25% to customers to the end of this year.
25% off until the end of the year.
Off list price to the end of the year.
That's brilliant. Now tell us a little bit about the vice.
Well, as I say, our most popular vice comes in 8 different sizes, which means you can go from jaw widths of up to 200, and this will open up these vices up to 360 millimeters.
Right, okay, tell us about the mechanism of the moving jaw, fixed jaw.
Just a standard hand crank which brings it in. Fixed jaw, there's the fixed jaw, there's the moving jaw. Both of them have drawdown jaws. So in essence, when you go to clamp on a conventional vice, which has just got parallel jaws, you clamp, the more pressure you put on, in effect it's pushing the component up. With drawdown jaws, the more pressure, it pulls the component down.
So pull down
jaws, draw down
now,
jaws.
Now, the fixed jaw reversible?
Yes, you can take these bolts out, turn it round, but that's really used out on rough billet work, just the initial first machining.
And it's fully ground?
100 grand all round.
And what other main features would you say that this vice offers?
Easy to clamp. You either have it with the clamps or there's holes through the middle here, which means if you want to do multiple vices, it's easy straight through the middle. And it comes with a workpiece stop as well.
Mike Harris, it's been an absolute pleasure. So there you have it, the 6620 from Bison, currently 25% off until the end of the year.